So now I'm finished washing the beef. Now I'm gonna season. I try not to put too much. Next up I have my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Let me use a spoon since this one doesn't have the sieve cover. That will sprinkle all over. For the pepper lovers, cayenne pepper going in. And if you read, cayenne pepper is good for a lot of stuff, health-wise. I'm gonna put a little paprika, not much. I'll take some black pepper. And this as a substitute for my Scotch bonnet pepper until I am using the natural season that my kind of my tomatoes and a thyme, garlic, ginger, whatever. I use this to season since I'm gonna leave it to marinate and then freeze it until I'm ready. And I'll add a little pinch of salt. This season, the body of the all-purpose already have good amount of salt in it, so I don't need a lot of salt. There you have it. Then I'm going to combine everything together and place it in my freezer bag. There you have it, guys. I use my fork to combine everything. Now I'm going to place it into the freezer bag.